Hello everyone, welcome to Science classes. Today we will discuss on some current question. Let's start. The first question: which authorization certificate has been cancelled by RBI? The answer will be Muthoot Vehicle and Assessed Finance Limited and Eco India Finance Services Private Limited. Go to next question. Who is appointed as brand endorser of Bank of Baroda? The answer will be Shefali Verma. Let's know more about her. About Shefali Verma, she is a cricket player. In 2019, at the age of 15, Shefali became the youngest cricketer to play in the Women T20 international match for India. In 2021, she became the first woman cricketer to hit 3 sixes in the test match. Go to next question. Which state CM has launched Student Startup and Innovation Policy 2.0? The answer will be Gujarat. Let's know more about Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar and the governor is Acharya Devvrat and the CM is Bhupender Bhai Patel. Go to next question. Next question is, who has taken charge of Secretary General of SCO? The answer will be Zhang Ming. Let's know more about about SCO. SCO stand for Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Jinping is a China's diplomat. He has taken charge from Vladimir Noro, who is former foreign minister of Uzbekistan for 3 years terms. The SCO has 8 member states: India, Kazakhstan, China, the Kyrgyz Republic, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. India joined SCO at the Astana Summit in 2017. Go to next question. Who is 102 member of ISA? The answer will be Antigua and Barbuda. Let's know more about ISA. ISA stand for International Solar Alliance. ISA was jointly launched by India and France in 2015 during the 21 season of the United Nations Climate Change COP21 in Paris, France, to promote solar energy. About Antigua and Barbuda, the capital of St. John's, the currency is East Caribbean dollar and the PM is Gaston Brown. Go to next question. How many nations take part in Sea Dragon exercise? The answer will be 6 nations. Let's know more about the 6 nations that are participating in the exercise are the United States, Canada, India, Japan, and South Korea. Go to next question. Who is the author of the book Mamata We Won 2021? The answer will be Janta Ghoshal. Let's know more about the book. This book was translated by Arnav Sinha. This book was released on 5th January 2021 2022, on the birthday of Mamata Banerjee, she is the Chief Minister of West Bengal and the leader of the Trinamool Congress Party. This book explores and examines why the Bharatiya Janata Party lost the 2021 West Bengal election. Go to next question. Who does get first ever Guinness World Record in numerology? The answer will be J.C. Chaudhary. Let's know more about J.C. Chaudhary. He has achieved the world record of 2022 by educating about ancient science to around 6,000 participants. Enthusiasts of numerology joined from the United Kingdom, Middle East and India. Next question. Who has been reappointed as CACP chairman? The answer will be Vijay Paul Sharma. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.